So you decided to finally start that homebrew world of yours, and now the realization is hitting you that you have to make everything up yourself. Today I'm going to give you 3 secrets to running a smooth homebrew game. Now before I get into it, I'm assuming you've already done your world building. If not, there's a whole other video coming for that. The first thing you want to know is that you have to find a theme for the story. The theme of your story is the polishing glue that holds it all together and keeps it consistent and coherent. A theme sprinkled into the story can give it the feeling of something masterfully planned. If you want themes of loyalty and have their faith in their deity tested, focus on that. Death, get those undead. Whatever you want, you can do it. This is your world, and best of all, the theme can be a great way to measure the progress of your party. When in doubt, look for inspiration from the themes of your favorite module books. Secondly is to guide your party towards a specific goal. A good story is going to intertwine the party, otherwise what other reason would they have to go adventuring together? Give them something to work towards, whether it's gaining entry into an academy, defeating the Dark Lord, or surviving an apocalypse. Making them work together towards something collectively is a surefire way to create a well-knit party, and can even be a source of conflict for the story if the party's goal doesn't fall in line with one of the party members' goals. Whatever the case, make sure you know where the party and the story are going. And lastly, and most importantly, remember that there is no world building without your party, so let them shape it. The wonderful thing about running a homebrew game is that you don't have to worry about remembering the story that's written in the book like you would have to for a module. If the party deviates, your world is waiting for them to explore it instead. Let the party break out and be adventurers, guide them, but don't overshadow them. This is their game as much as it is yours, and their hand plays a part in the story just as much as yours. So let them name shops, make their backstories shape the world, make them feel like unintentional authors, and that will give your world so much more life, I promise. And there you have it. Focusing on these 3 tips is going to take your homebrew game to the next level. If you think we forgot something, leave your own tip in the comments below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your displacer beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.